Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial Jedi Master, and in this video I'm sharing with you how to set up a Bitcoin private wallet. So I'll jump right into it, and the first step here is to find the correct domain name, and I'll show you how I do that. I'm gonna go to my browser and type in coinmarketcap.com, and what I'm gonna do here is go to the search on the right here and type in Bitcoin private, and it auto-populates the name here, and I could go ahead and click that, and it directs me straight to Bitcoin private. So what I'm gonna do here is click the website here under rank here, and as you can see it takes us to btcprivate.org. That's the website. If you'd like to search that yourself, just make sure you don't misspell it and type in btcprivate.org. Make sure it's connected to an HTTPS website and verify it's a secure connection by checking whether or not it has a green padlock here, and it does, so it is a secure connection. And the second way you could find the website is to go on their Twitter account, so I'll show you how I do that. I'm gonna go back to coinmarketcap.com here and scroll down, and next to markets and tools I could click social, and it'll start showing me the tweets by Bitcoin private. I'm gonna go ahead and click that and take notice of how many followers they have. They have 52,000 followers, and in the description the link that they're promoting is the same, btcprivate.org. I'll click that, and as you can see it is the official website. So it is a good website to use. We're gonna continue moving forward. I'm gonna exit out of this along with the Twitter account, and I don't need CoinMarketCap anymore. So the second step here is to choose the correct wallet. So I'll show you how I do that. On btcprivate.org, we're gonna scroll all the way down and skip past a lot of this here, including the roadmap and hard fork and the team, and we're gonna stop here at the wallets. Alright, so there's multiple options here for the wallets. We're gonna go ahead and choose the Zeltrez option right here. And the reason why is because the Zeltrez wallet is a third-party wallet recommended by the core Bitcoin private dev team, and that's why they list it here. And from what I'm aware of so far, it works. So we're gonna go ahead and choose this option here. And it redirects us to zeltrez.io, and it's saying that we can download it, and it gives us other options to download it. So before we do that, make sure you choose the appropriate download for you. If you have another version, you're gonna go ahead and click other platforms here and then click either the Windows or Linux option. Since I'm using a Mac, I'm gonna go ahead and continue with this white button that turns blue and click that. And as you can see on the bottom left side of my screen now, it's starting to download. So that's good. That's step number 3, download the wallet. So it's saying it's gonna take about a minute to download. Go ahead and pause the video here and recontinue it once it's done downloading for you. So great, it finished downloading. So we're gonna move on to step number 4, which is to install the wallet. And all you have to do is click this download, this Zeltrez download right here once, and it starts opening here. And it's saying to drag this icon Zeltrez into my applications, so I'll do that right now. And to open it, I'm gonna double click it. And it's saying, are you sure you wanna open it? I'm gonna say yes, open. So there you go, this is the Zeltrez wallet. And what we're gonna do here now is we're gonna start by creating your offline wallet. And it says the credentials are used to create your light wallets and account encryption. I'm gonna choose a username and password. At this point in the video regarding passwords, on our team we use keypass.info. That's a free and open source password manager where you could get very strong passwords which you don't have to memorize, and all you would have to do is copy and paste that into here to create a new account for Zeltrez. So type in the account name you want to use and copy and paste your password from your password manager, and then enter that into here to create the account. and then click that. And it says here, warning, your password is the key to access your funds. Make sure it is as strong as possible. Zeltrez does not keep a copy of your encrypted password locally or remotely. Go ahead and pause the video again to read this right now and continue the video once you're done reading this. So once you're done, click I'm aware and say sign up. And on the top here it says account Denny Lovejoy created. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in and type in my username, and for the password, remember to copy and paste that from your password manager. The one we use on our team is keypass.info. So copy and paste that and then click login. And voila, this is the wallet for Zeltrez. As you can see, it's a multi-asset wallet. They have Zcash, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Zcash, Bitcore, Bitcoin Gold, stocks, Zcoin, and Bitcoin Private. So that's why we created this account, to get the Bitcoin Private. And as you can see, this Zeltrez wallet looks very nice. Their background alone with the stars and the lake in the mountains looks very nice. So let's check out this wallet a little bit. There's a home button here, and you could change the currency to your currency for the settings. You could choose a background, so you could choose any background you want here. There's privacy options here, and there's coin management where you could hide your coins. There's a portfolio, so if I click Bitcoin, for example, you could send and receive here. So let me go back to Bitcoin Private, since this is a Bitcoin Private video. So if you click Bitcoin Private here, there's a send button. If I click that, I would just have to type in someone's Bitcoin Private address here, and then I just have to choose the amount. I could click maximum if I want. I could attach a note to the payment, and then I could choose the speed of how fast I want the transaction to go, and then click send. And then to receive it, there's the address right here. I would just click to copy, and then it copies automatically. And I could send that to whoever wants to send me Bitcoin Private. And then there's contacts here. I could add contacts. And then there's a full node option here. Going back to portfolio, that applies to all these cryptocurrencies where I could send and receive here. But if I go back and click add coin, you'll notice that they have multiple wallets. They have a Binance wallet, they have BAT, they have Golem, they have Bitcoin Z, Raven, Hush, Binance, Osmigo, and all these other cryptocurrencies, including Civic and Zen and Safecoin and Tether and 10x and Komodo. So that's really cool. I'm a big fan of multi-asset wallets like Exodus, and this reminds me a little bit of Exodus here. If I look on the left side here, there's an exchange. So it looks like the exchanges are third-party solutions, which are Shapeshift, Changely, and Kyber. So that's really cool. And then there's an apps button, which is coming soon, and then a help button, which has a bunch of frequently asked questions. So go ahead and explore that on your own time. This is the wallet. In this video, I just wanted to show you how to download and install it and show you around a little bit along with creating the account. I am not going to show you how to send, receive, backup, protect, or even update the wallet. I just wanted to show you how to download and install it. This does bring me to the next point, step number 5, verify that you can open and close the wallet. I'm going to go ahead and drag my screen to the top left here. What I'm going to do is click Zeltrez here on the top and then click quit, and then it disappears. And to verify that it's officially gone, I'm going to go to my Finder, and under devices I'm going to click this eject button, which is connected to my Zeltrez here. I'll click that and it's officially gone now, and I'm going to reopen it now. And the way you want to reopen it is to go to your Finder, go to your applications, and then go to Zeltrez here. You're going to want to right click it and then click open. And then it's saying, are you sure you want to open it? Say yes, open. I'll exit out of this. And here is the wallet one more time. To log in, just enter your username and your password from your password manager, and then click login. And voila, there it is. That's how you set up a Zeltrez wallet for Bitcoin private along with other digital assets. So congratulations on doing that. You successfully downloaded and installed a Zeltrez wallet for Bitcoin private. And that concludes my video. If you like seeing blockchain tutorials like this, get the cryptocurrency investing blueprint. You could learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint, and you could get 10% off using my promo code DENNY2018. Check out the display address on the screen here and screenshot it, or check out the links in the description below. You could also follow our cryptocurrency market team on Twitter. My handle is Denny Lovejoy. That's spelled DENNILOVEJOY. And thank you so much for watching my blockchain tutorial on how to set up a Zeltrez wallet for Bitcoin private. If you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, leave me a comment on YouTube or send me a message on Twitter. And thanks again for watching. Have a terrific day, and I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.